The pinks are already gone and we've moved on to the golden clouds, which are so pretty. The reflection on the water, because it's so still, is beautiful. We woke up pretty late this morning, but still made it out in time. And we just came down to the boat dock where we caught the ferry the other day. And there's nobody down here because the boats don't start until about 6:30. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's somebody snorkeling and freediving with a harpoon. Is that what those are called?
Mm-hmm.
Like those big spear guns almost. It's like fishing underneath the dock. It scared us. Sunrise was so beautiful, but it always happens too fast. One of the things we love about getting up for sunrise, although it doesn't happen as often as it should, is seeing the town wake up, seeing everyone get ready to go. It's just so calm and peaceful. No.
She even got a running start for it. Look who followed us back. But she's very polite. She doesn't even want to come in the room. We'll be right back. Okay?
That is so cute.
Hey, sweetie. You're so cute. Mm-hmm.
We came back, took a nap, got ready, and now it's time for breakfast. We're gonna head to Crossroads Cafe, which is the most recommended cafe around town. Unfortunately, Crossroads Cafe is closed. I forgot to check Google again. They're closed on Sundays and Mondays. Today is Monday and we're leaving today, so we won't be able to visit, but we're gonna find someplace else.
True to Central America and South America, all the small pueblos are very colorful and filled with murals. And I especially love the one behind me here, which shows our healthcare workers holding up the world. How true is that right now?
The next best rated restaurant was luckily just down the street because I am starving. This is Atlantis.
Normal temperature.
The hunt continues for the perfect mango smoothie. It's not the perfect mango smoothie, but the almond milk makes it really different than any that we've ever had. Like you can really taste it. You gotta try it. Babe.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, it's really delicious. I like the almond milk. And the daily hunt for coffee never lasts long. Oh, hot, hot, hot. You want potato? Start dipping that hollandaise sauce.
I can really taste the mustard in this hollandaise sauce. It's really good.
We can never seem to get our checkout times right. 11 or noon, 11 or noon. Thought it was noon today, and again, because we thought that, we figured it's probably 11. So we're gonna eat really quick and dash back to the hotel so we can get our luggage. Fortunately, we packed before we came out for breakfast. We did our job. I think we finished in under 3 minutes, but it's time to go.
We are ready to go.
We're only about 10 minutes late.
It's already 12:08, and one thing you can be certain of is these shuttles are never on time. They get you from A to B just maybe about 30 minutes after you expect it.
12:24. Check out this shuttle. This is way nicer than our first one.
Nate can't find his phone. We just got picked up, so we had to stop, and he's running now. Hopefully he can find it. I have no idea where it could have gone. Found it. Lo siento. Sí. Yes.
Okay. Well, I found this. Not my phone, but
We got it.
together we've got everything.
Our shuttle was only a little late, but there's only 4 of us total on the shuttle, so we have plenty of room, and there's AC, which is so nice because it's gonna be a long drive in the heat.
Yeah. Oh,
I like to have it.
you got it? You're about to leave.
Go, go, go. Sorry, babe.
That was a close one.
I'm so sorry.
Why are you sorry?
I forgot to get it ready.
It's okay, we were both napping on the drive. It was really rough for me this time.
Really?
I think it was because I was futzing with the cameras at the beginning, so I needed a really nice nap. And I got it, but we made it to Antigua. That's it for today. We're just gonna pack up and relax. So if you enjoyed traveling with us, seeing sunrise, eating breakfast, hit the like button below. And if you want to stamp your passports with us again,
Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. The hunt continues for the perfect mango smoothie.
the perfect mango smoothie. Hello, do you guys know anything about the boats? No? Okay. Thanks though.